At first glance, Shenandoah appears to be old and untouched. But ever since they arrived here, humans have made these hills and hollows home. When this mountain became a national park in 1935, managers believed their mandate was to help Mother Nature reclaim the land. So they removed most of the evidence that people had ever been here. They planted trees and flowers, made trails, and cultivated a forest to make Shenandoah look wild again. Meanwhile, nature never stopped. Where homes had been, trees grew. Animals that had been gone came back. Some that never left thrived. And by 1976, Shenandoah did look wild, and 40% of the park was named an official wilderness area, where man is a visitor who does not remain. Now, these hills and hollows provide spacious habitat to black bear, bobcat, pink azalea, wood thrushes, and eastern brook trout. Monarch butterflies and cerulean warblers stop here on their way north and south. People pass through too. They come from all over the world to discover this gem of the Blue Ridge Mountains. They come to find peace or adventure. They come to experience nature reclaimed as only nature can do. They come to breathe the cool, crisp air of a fall day. And they come on other days too. In winter, spring, and summer, because although these mountains are old, every day is new in Shenandoah National Park.